Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best engine block heaters in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best engine block heaters that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Hotstart engine block heater. Hotstart specializes in thermal management, and they have a broad range of products that can assist with preheating engines in cold environments. This type of engine block heater works by attaching to your coolant hose, and the device heats up and circulates the coolant using convection. It also has a built-in thermostat that regulates the temperature between 100 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit. This type of engine block heater is the best for trucks, tractors, buses, boats, generators, and some cars. If installing in a truck or car, you need to make sure that you have space in your engine bay to mount the device. Overall, this is a very sturdy device that can withstand shock and vibration, and its material construction provides rust and corrosion resistance. These features increase the longevity of the device, and from a functional perspective, its design makes for very efficient heating. Are you looking for the best engine block heaters in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down. Moving on at number 4. We have the Zerostart silicone pad heater. This particular type is arguably one of the best diesel engine heaters for trucks and really, any type of vehicle. This type of heater has an adhesive pad that allows you to install it directly onto your oil pan. This heats the oil in your engine so that when you start your vehicle, there is already warm oil to move around. Cold, viscous oil is the enemy of engine health. This product is great because it has a high output of 1000 watts, and the installation is much simpler than the mechanical versions like the one above. Not only that, this type can actually last longer and do a better job. This particular silicone pad heater needs to be connected to a 3-prong plug or straight to an external battery supply with a switch and fuse. If you would like one that already has a plug, you can look at this 500-watt pad. At number 3, we have the Zerostart portable electric heat magnet. The reason why we chose this multi-use magnetic heater for our best magnetic engine heater is because it is one of the most reliable magnetic engine heaters on the market today, yet affordable. It can be attached to anything metal with its powerful magnets. It provides heat where and when you need it: your cars, trucks, tractors, or ATV's oil pan or engine block, or even to your diesel generator. The moment you plug it in an AC outlet, it starts heating. It even works great to keep metal watering tubs or gutters ice-free. Most people use a timer or a Bluetooth switch to keep energy costs down. With its quick grip handle, it can easily be placed and removed without burning your hand. The powerful magnets keep the heater firmly in place. This engine block heater has a built-in thermostat to safeguard it from overheating. It will not exceed 250 F, 121 C. It's weatherproof too. You can stick it to whatever car, truck, or equipment you're going to need the following winter's day, and you'll have no trouble starting it. At number 2, we have the engine block heater pan. The reason why we chose this self-adhesive car heater for our best stick-on engine heater pad is because, based on our experience and user reviews, this heater pad does what it's supposed to with the best reliability track record. Just like other self-adhesive heater pads, you need to clean and degrease the spot where you want to place the pad first. For optimal adherence, you can sand the spot to bare metal. If you want to leave it on permanently, it's best to glue the sides of the pad to the surrounding metal using some RTV kit so it can't come loose over time. Once it's in place, this heater is also plug and play. Plug it in an outlet, and it starts to heat your oil pan right away. Customers say that this simple device sticks well to any clean, degreased surface with its 3M tape and that it works as well as more expensive brands they've tried. Most people plug it into a timer or a Bluetooth switch to save energy. Based on the many customer reviews and our own research, this heater pad is arguably over 3 times more reliable than its often more expensive competitors. And finally, at number 1, we have the engine block immersion heater. The reason why we chose this engine block heater as our best engine block immersion heater is because it is easy to use and very efficient, and probably the safest type of engine heater on the market. This immersion engine block heater is available in different types to fit most vehicles. We found it very easy to pick the right type for our car. Installation takes a couple of hours, depending on your skills, vehicle and engine type, and you will need some medium-level mechanical skills to fit it in the designated core freeze plug hole. Once installed though, this heater is literally plug and play and it heats the engine's coolant fast and reliably. You only need to plug its power cord into a mains extension cord and it starts heating. Most people plug it into a timer or a Bluetooth switch to save energy. Customers say that this is a solid made-in-America product that is identical to the OEM part but at a better price. They say that all in all, installing this heater is a fairly easy DIY project.
Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.